Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll recreate few of my favorite pictures of my favorite DAMNFAM member ASHI KHANNA. So let's see how it goes. So currently I'm without makeup. I'll do the makeup according to the look I'll choose. So the first look I have chosen is this one. In this she is wearing a black kurta with silver choker and jhumkas with sunset eyeshadow look, also with beach curls on her hair with a bindi. So let's see. So I'm using this black kurta and this net chunni. I don't have the sleeveless kurta. And for the choker I have this one. And for the jhumkas, these are small ones but I think they'll work. Look update, I'm done with my base. I'll do the eyeshadow now. So for the eyeshadow, first we'll do the yellow in the inner part and then thoda sa orange and red over here at the end, or without liner, just kajal. So I have chosen this one. In this she is wearing a black spaghetti top with minimal eye makeup and pink lips. So for my eye look, I am using the shade Nude Rose from Clinique palette. This one. Line, I'm using this pink shade as it is visible from her picture, a tinge of pink under her eyes. So guys, this is the final look. I'm done with my makeup. The tattoo is also ready. I have changed into my outfit. So it's time to click pictures. So for my last and the final look, I'll be recreating this one. In this, she is wearing a black bralette along with a blue formal coat. So to recreate it, I'll be wearing a blue shirt, this one, along with a tube top. And for the accessories part, she is wearing white hoops. So I'll replace them with these silver ones. So talking about the makeup, it's quite basic one. So for the eye look, I'll be using this eyeshadow stick. Don't worry, I'll keep the name in the description. You can check it out. It's in copper shimmer shade, if you can see it. There was a pinch of pink in her eye look, so I added this one. you all like it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite look. Bye.